Hi guys, and welcome back to Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making chocolate Rice Krispie treats. Same concept as a regular Rice Krispie treat. We're just buying chocolate cereal instead. And although my son loves Rice Krispie treats, if I make these, the chocolate ones, he will devour in no time. I mean, this kid is a chocolate kid through and through. So I have to ration his Rice Krispie intake. But these are really easy. They're delicious. They're kid friendly. So let's get started.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it